Euromonitor International forecasts disposable income growth in the Baltic states to be among the highest in Europe over the coming 5 years. Clearly, this opens the new potential for non-essential food products, including the whole indulgence sector. The question is, however, which product and which manufacturers will be able to benefit from this by defining what indulgence will be for the growing and increasingly wealthy Baltic middle class. The Norwegian food giant Orkla is showing strong ambitions of playing a role in this game of Baltic indulgence. So in 2015, Orkla finished the acquisition of the strong regional chocolate brand Lima, and in 2016, we already see the results of Orkla's investments. It's called Tagad, and it's a brand new tablet brand from Lima. However, Orkla is very, very far from being the only player investing in Baltic tablets. Over the past 12 months, we have also seen new tablets being launched regionally from Pergale and from Karl Fazer. And curiously enough, all of those 3 new regional Baltic tablets are very similar. It's a base of milk chocolate, which is combined with new, novel, often contrasting flavors and textures in order to promise exciting sensuous experiences to teenagers and young adults. And the price is close to being premium. With such a clear targeting of one of the most promising consumer segments and one of the most promising price points from the side of tablet manufacturers, certain questions do arise for players in competing categories. So what will Nestlé do and what will Mars do in order to prevent young consumers switching from count lines, for instance, to the new tablets? Also, manufacturers with a strong interest in the traditional segment of unpackaged chocolate confectionery may potentially see sales move to packaged tablets with a stronger branding. Sugar confectionery, on the other hand, already holds a weaker position in total confectionery in the Baltic states compared to, for instance, neighboring Scandinavia. And with the recent dynamism in tablets in the Baltic states, making reality out of any ambitions to increase the position of sugar confectionery among young adults will be just a little bit more difficult. So yes, also in the Baltic states, consumers have a strong urge to indulge. However, who will be able to benefit the most from their increasing financial ability to do so is still unclear. Manufacturers of tablets have made their move. Now it'll be up to competitors to react.